pretty good air mover too. Pretty fast. A little bit of a wobble, but like I've said multiple times, I can't complain about that. It is missing the canopy, as you could see. And the mount is not original. The mount's not original because it didn't come with one. I just so happened to find that one. I had a Walmart fan that came with its mount. But I scrapped it. Took the mount off of it. I have a Delta 2 also that I gotta try to get a video of eventually. Problem is, I don't have blade screws for it. It didn't come with blade screws. I bought this one and the Delta 2 together. This came with blade screws, as you could see. The Delta 2 didn't. Actually, this mount was just a spare. I came with the Walmart fan. The mount that came off of the Walmart fan I put on the Kenmore, the first Kenmore that I showed. I put it on this fan, and it's all ready to go now. There's the two Emperors, the two Superior Fancos. There's the Delta 2. And I got the blades for it right there. And sorry about the TV, but there's the mount. There's the mount that came off of the Walmart fan. And the guy who was getting rid of it actually gave me 2 extra mounting brackets. So, and I used that, and I used one of them for this fan, just for the time being.